Well, it is a heavy day for snow outside, my friends, and here is Optimus. Optimus showing off, of course, his Highway Plow I've shown in the past, but you'll see that I've redone the edge, and this entire shovel is actually covered with an anti-stick spray, a conformal coating, if you will. Now, Optimus is a 6x6. So 6-wheel drive, all the way locked, 6-wheel steering with a powered trailer with a motor on each axle. So that's a 4x4 by itself, or 2-wheel drive motor on axle, each motor powering a set of tires. So some could argue that this is a 10x10x10, 10-wheel drive, 10-wheel steering. Regardless, whatever you want to say it is, Optimus is pretty bad to the bone. And here is what I've been using, which is my breaker plow, which would be a great use for today. Very heavy snow outside today. But I figure I've been wanting to work on a brine and spray system, which is exactly what this tube is going to be for, where I'll be spraying a salty brine out the back of the vehicle. But shall we get outside and have a good time? Is my purpose to actually clear snow out of the way? No! It's just to have fun. Come on, Optimus, let's do it, buddy. What a sight to behold. We're going to need a first layer scrape. This is where I'd normally use my breaker plow to begin with. Look at that. All right. Let's wipe some diesel on it then. There we go. Yeah, it just wants to float. It's almost like it needs some weight on the front of that plow. Bring it off to the side. Let's see if we can get it like that. Yeah, we're going to need a weight on top of it. So technically today I would use this, which is ironic because everyone's like, use the other one. I would use that and then use this as a cleanup shovel. What can we use for some weight today? So I've got this little area on the side where I can add these bags of shot. Yeah. Giving me some decent weight in that front end. And then, because of the snow sticking, normally what I could do is just let this cool to the temperature of outside, but some people say they want me to use diesel, so I'll wipe some diesel on it. Diesel the plow blade. There it is. Round 2. Let's try that. Ah, Optimus, you've transformed so many times over the years. Well, it still wants to float a bit, but it's much better. Oh, that snow is fluffy today. Let's weight it down even more. Oh, that would be so heavy. Oh, it's so heavy on the winch. That's all right. That winch is rated for it. A powered trailer. I know you guys want me to get the highway wings on there, but it's not so easy. I am working on it though. And what I mean by that is the side plow blades. But I have so many channels already utilized, I'll have to make it some sort of mechanical blade until I figure out a different way. Look at this though, we're pushing uphill. Even this blade is struggling to get through. Okay, let's go ahead and turn the blade. Yeah, not too far though. It is curling the snow nicely. Now we're getting a little more progress. So you'd say, why do I have all these motors and it's strictly for torque? I wonder if I got a bit more weight on this front blade, if that would help. Okay, let's get that shot out of here. I gotta say, it looks good over there, hey? Decent. I didn't have any place to put it, but put it right on the front. Hopefully to try to cut down to the asphalt a bit on the side that it's angled to. I'm actually gonna go straight and let that blade cut its way in properly. There we go. So we're getting a bit down, that's better. That's much nicer, look at this. Now we're down to it. Now I'm walking on the asphalt. Beautiful cut. Oh, something on the road, that's okay. Back on track. Let's go ahead and cut it here. Look at the amount of snow I'm pushing. Fantastic. Now the trailer helping me back up. Let's just go ahead and use that rear wheel steering. And then the other way. And there we go. Jackknife the trailer a bit. We're okay with that though. Let's go ahead and put that blade down. Straight. Oh, I've lost back drive. Oh, that's okay. So look at this. It looks like I may have a set screw that let loose back there. Got my front moving, got my back moving, but I have a slipping, I bet you I've got a broken pinion on the inside of that diff. Not a big deal. Oh! It ain't gonna let me out, eh? Well, that's the hobby for you. One set screw, what do they say? 25-cent part can stop $1 million operation. Oh, I better go and get some proper. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Dang, and we did so well too. Look at that. I think we're on to something.